How to turn green messages on iPhone to blue messages. So right here, I will open a conversation. And if I start typing something in here, you can see it only shows green button. If I tap on it, it will send through SMS and not through iMessage. So in order to convert it to blue, what you're going to do is make sure that your iMessage is turned on. For that, you need to open your settings. And on your settings, scroll all the way down. And then from here, tap on apps. And in here, search for messages. You can see messages right here. Tap on it and open its setting. Then from here, scroll down. You can see iMessage. Make sure that it is turned on just like this. Tap on that toggle button and turn it on. And also make sure under the send and receive, if you tap on this option, make sure that you have your number or your Apple ID in here. So if I simply go back on my messages right here on my chat, again, you can see it still shows green because I don't have a internet connection right now. So what you're going to do is simply turn on your cellular data or your Wi-Fi and make sure that your phone has internet connection. Now in here, you can see it has successfully been converted into blue. I can simply type that hi, and if I send them, here you can see it has converted into blue. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.